Voting in the most remote overseas polling station has come to an end a few hours ago. The Embassy of Kazakhstan in the United States has seen a high voter turnout. The elections were held in a friendly atmosphere as the Election Commission members congratulated the voting citizens, and observers noted the well-organized elections at the Kazakh Embassy in Washington, D.C. In particular, there were active young citizens of Kazakhstan, the students who study at the most prestigious American universities, including George Washington University and the United States Naval Academy.
I
came here to fulfill my civic duty. This is the first time I've voted outside of Kazakhstan, and I am very pleased about the way we were welcomed here at the Embassy of Kazakhstan. I'm also happy to see so many people coming here and voting for Kazakhstan. All of us are citizens of Kazakhstan, and we feel great about it.
Мне очень приятно то, что нам казахстанцам, которые живут вдали.
I'm very happy about the fact that we, the citizens of Kazakhstan who live far away and study here, were given the opportunity to come to Washington, D.C. to vote and participate in the political events of our country.